Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Nails Art. Today I am going to show you how to create a stunning nail art design in just few minutes. First of all, newbies should subscribe my channel for latest videos. So let's start the video. First, apply a base coat to protect your nails. This will help you in your nail polish last longer. Now choose your favorite colors for the design. Start by painting your nails with the polish as base color. Make sure to cover the entire nail evenly. Once dries it, then take a thin brush and dip it into another your choice color. Now it's time to create the design. You can go for simple strips, dots, and even try a floral pattern. You can create hearts, flowers, butterflies on your nails. Get creative and have fun with it. Remember, practice makes perfect. Once you are happy with the design, let it dry completely. Then seal it with the top coat to protect your nails art and give it a glossy finish. You have just created a fabulous nail art design in just few minutes. You are seeing on your screen different colors on nails looking so gorgeous and pretty. Nail art can make your personality beautiful and make it different from others. You can see here sky blue color with the combination of orange looking different from the other. Green color with the combination of skin with leaves looking beautiful, maroon color with transparent shades and hearts looking perfect. It's a mute color and always looks so decent on nails. Maroon color with different shades with glitter looking beautiful. Transparent color with the outline of red color looking charming and glittery. White color again with a shade of light gold looking beautiful and perfect. It's like rainbow colors on nails looking beautiful. White color with little glitter looking beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.